As I'm in my 40s now, I like convenience, and not having a key for my garage is clutch. So you get your lock, key, the deadbolt, accessories, some batteries, little key tags, instructions you don't need anymore, and the template. You will need that. Let's get the old one out of there. 2 screws, deadbolt, gone. Piece of cake. Now you're going to grab that template, depending on your setup, line it up with the hole, put some masking tape on it, make sure it's nice and straight or your knob will be a little crooked. Nobody wants a crooked knob. Make sure it's straight. Pop that guy out, that's where your hole's going to be. And once you got that all nice and lined up, you're going to grab a ruler, straight edge, something to give you a nice line so we can find the center of that hole. Look at all those lines. And then you just shoot for the middle. I didn't have a metal drill bit big enough, so I just used a uni bit. Flip the template to the other side so I could connect my hole. But if you had a hole saw, you could do this in one pop. With your holes drilled out, you'll get the lock. That was the original one. Make sure you got the same length. You just rotate it, and then boom, perfect fit. Now you're going to grab the lock assembly, I guess we'll call it. Put this little stud in there so you can connect it to the back plate. Nice and simple, no need to get crazy with the tightening. Let's take that lock assembly, slide it through your lock. You're going to make sure that electrical connector goes under. There she is. Make sure it goes under the lock. Right there. Look at that. That's a good visual. Now you're going to grab the back plate. Put the rubber gasket on the back of it. Make sure you put the electrical connector through the little smile mouthpiece. It'll make sense. Tighten your screws in. There you're going to grab the electrical part of it, or the lock. Snap that little guy in. Easy peasy. Make sure you grab the right screws. The longer one goes on top. The little guy goes on the bottom. If you can line it up right. Right there. That's where the longer one goes. Then you're just going to put in your 4 batteries. And you're ready for blast off. Put the cover on. Now let's play with the toy. Tons of features. It's got an app. It's got these little key cards that you can swipe in with. You saw the fingerprint in the beginning. You can put a key code in. Also, you can use a key. You can set members. All sorts of things you can do. If you have an Airbnb, you can give it to your guests for a temporary time. I mean, endless amount of entries with this thing. And that's what I like about it. I can just put my thumb on there and I'm in my garage. Put it in your cart. You will not be disappointed.